welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a winter wonderland centerpiece and setup. Here we go. You guys have been asking for another winter wonderland centerpiece, and the other day I got inspired as I was buying my snow globe of the year, because I have a tradition of buying a snow globe every year of the year. And it's not a big collection. Maybe I'll show it to you at the end of the video. It's not a big collection right now, but eventually it will grow as I buy them yearly. Anyway, I got inspired. Let me come back, Tyra. So I got inspired and I decided to make a winter wonderland snow globe as a centerpiece, and I think you will like it. All right, so let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is work on the base of my centerpiece, which is going to be the base of my snow globe. And I'm going to be using this plastic container from Dollar Tree. And you are going to go ahead and dispose of the top. You don't need it. And you are going to turn it over as so. And one thing that I just totally love is when things work out organically. When I got this container, I wasn't sure that it was going to be the exact size to fit the glass bowl. So once you place it on top, it's perfect for each other. They are both 7 inches. This one at the bottom and this one at the top. I'll show you. Okay, 7 inches and 7 inches. Perfect. This is actually a 10-inch bowl, okay, but the top is 7 inches. So now I'm gonna go ahead and paint it, and the color of the spray paint is metallic brilliant silver. After letting the container dry overnight, what you're going to do next is use your hot glue gun to melt a hole right here in the middle of your container. Since it's plastic, do not, and I repeat, do not use a drill, no matter how small it is, to drill the hole, because it will split your container, and I should have known better, but that's okay because that's going to be covered with snow, so no big deal. So what you're going to do is use your hot glue gun, okay, and melt a hole through it so that you can then pull through the LED lights. Okay, I got this from Dollar Tree, and it's going to make the whole snow globe look amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and start melting the hole. And I'm just going to wrap it around the inside of the container. Now I'm going to be using script alphabet stickers from Walmart. These were a little over $2, and I wish they had them in white, but they didn't. So I just grabbed the silver that they had, and I'm going to be writing or spelling the word Wonderland right on top of it. It might just blend in a little and you might not be able to see it, but if you can find it in white, that will look much better, okay? But for now, I'll just use this so you can see how it will look. And there it is. The silver actually doesn't look bad, but by the way, you are going to need 2 packs of stickers because each pack comes with 1 letter each, and you are going to need 2 N's and 2 D's. Next, I'm going to be hanging my faux crystal snowflake ornament from my bowl. And this is going to be a little tricky because I'm going to have to use hot glue to hang this with. And this is plastic as well, the fishing line. So I'm going to have to monitor the temperature of my glue, okay? So what I did here was tie a little bit of fishing line, and then I made a knot, and I'm going to cut right here. All right, and this is long enough. Okay, so it's not a very long line, okay, but it's long enough to have it hang from the inside. Okay, so it should look something like this. So what I'm going to do now is add glue to the middle. It's not too hot, so you kind of have to like maybe blow on it or just give it, you know, a few seconds, and then you can place the fishing line on it. All right, so now I'm just going to place it right in there. I'm gonna use my scissors to bury the knot. And I'm just gonna let it sit for another minute before I turn the bowl. Now I'm going to place fine faux snow inside of the bowl. So I have to turn it over again. I just wanted to show you how it will look. Okay, maybe 3/4 of it inside of there. And I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was originally $5, but I only paid 50% of it, so $2.50. Now I'm going to add a little bit of E6000 to the top of my container, all around the borders, so I can bond the bowl to my base. So after half an hour, you can go ahead and turn it over because the E6000 hasn't settled yet. So it's still soft enough to get it open if you need to take out some of the snow, or if you need to reposition your star or whatever ornament you are going to be hanging inside the bowl. Okay, so go ahead and turn it over and see if everything's working out fine. Okay guys, this is it. This is my Winter Wonderland snow globe, and it is absolutely magical. Oh my gosh, I want to be in that. Well, not really. It's cold. This is perfect for any Winter Wonderland theme event, for your church, for a fundraiser, or even for your wedding. It is absolutely beautiful. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my snow globe Winter Wonderland centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that is gonna have a Winter Wonderland themed centerpiece or a Christmas party or anything winter, Christmassy, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right guys, until next time, bye.